Kapag nangangatwiran, ako'y pagkagalitan. Di ko alam ang gagawin, ako'y walang kalayaan. Sunod sa utos lamang. Alright. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang laging may kasalanan. Pagising sa umaga, sermon ang almusal, bago pumasok sa eskwela. Kapag nangangatwiran, ako'y pagkagalitan. Di ko alam ang gagawin, ako'y sunod-sunuran, ayaw man lang pakinggan, nasasaktan ang damdamin, ako'y walang kalayaan. Present! Hanggang 29 lang yung ating cut-off naman. Ako ang nakikita, ako ang nasisisi, ako ang laging may kasalanan. Alright. Thank you very much. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan sa baba. Ayan. Dahil lang ha, nag-ano pa rin yung aking sound mo. Nag-krrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr lahat dyan present. Okay na? Okay na tayo? Maraming salamat hanggang sa dulo nang walang hanggan dyan sa baba, ha? Pitot present. Ayan. Maraming. Thank you very much, Mysterious. Thank you, Joanne, ha? Rayhan, salamat po, Rayhan. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan at good night to each and everyone. Buyers, mga classmate yan. Mga classmate sa eskwela, bye-bye. YT School. Mar and May. Rayhan, nagpa-practice pa ng kanta. Practice pa siya ng kanta. Nagpa-practice ka? Saan punta mo? Ayan, parang good night to each and everyone. Good night to each and everyone. Goodbye, ma. Goodbye. Students, matulog na po tayo, students. Mga estudyante, matulog na po tayo, estudyante blues. Mga estudyante, matulog na po tayo, estudyante blues.
Opo.
Estudyante blues. Ano, Rehan?
Paano na ha? Papatulog naman sa mga student at saka
Rehan? Sige,
bye, principal. Sabi ni Ate Joanne, goodbye, principals. Ala, grabe.
Bye, principal. Walang assignment. Ay, assignment pala po. Walang assignment. Baka mag-live ako bukas mga 1 hour lang or 30 minutes. Baka mag-live ako bukas mga 1 hour lang. Pasensya na kasi may lakad ako bukas. Sana mag-isip ako wala kasi para ano po. Bukas po kasi may lakad ako ng mga 9. Ewan ko lang kung maka-live pa ako. Baka sa gabi na lang tayo mag-live. Bukas ng umaga wala na lang tayong live. Sa gabi na lang ako magla-live. Kawawa naman kayo. Okay, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Si Vicenzo ata naka-live, si Vincent naka-live at saka si Jenny Jane. Kung wala kayong matambayan, pwede kayo magtambay doon sa ating mga ka-members. Si Vincent at saka si Jenny Jane. Ayan, naka-live ngayon. Maraming salamat at arigatou gozaimashita. Okay. Buyers, tulugan na. Tulog na kayo o matulog na tayo? Ako rin nakatulog kanina. Sarap ng tulog ko kaya. Ginising kaya ako magkain na lang. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan, buyers. Rayhan, bye-bye Rayhan. Thank you very much Rayhan. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat dyan. Okay. Ayan, wait lang ha. Ayan. Commercial lang tayo. Commercial pa more. Ayan.
Welcome to Call of Gangs members of Janet 25 Vlog. Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my members Angela Zeki, Farchelvium Consejo, Meningen J, Daryl Robert, Metal Joy Vlog, Joyden 286 Mix Vlog, NT Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bongski Bong Mix Vlog, You, Gene Mix Vlog 23, Lonnie Meta, Kama Holland, Yoli Boy and Family Vlog, Simply My Labs, Editor Rob, Orlinson 1, Show Vlog Channel, Gino's Key TV Mr. So, Admin, John McBirang, Rick's Channel, Mary Yahoo, Mysterious_Waylove, Myrno Adro, Rayhan Percoso, Mysterious06Way20, and May Caramel. Thank you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all. Welcome to Janet 25 Vlog. Please click the bottom bell. Janet 25 Vlog content Singing Tatak Hour contest. Cover song Exploring Japan video. Live streaming Cape Hike Hanwon. Please hug my Janet 25 Vlog Games members. Please subscribe to my members. Tanya Lamoto Vlog. Vincent Bayaka. Jenny James BP channel. Jimari Mo. Nori May TPA. Thank you for your love and support to Janet 25 Vlog. Enjoy my freebies, your channel, enjoy YouTube. God bless us all.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And Charles Lumawag, maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. Michael Kiambao also, thank you. And sa lahat po na nandito kanina, maraming salamat. Alak, matulog ka na. Soon, matulog ka na rin. Joan, matulog ka na. Gumigive up na yung inyong mga internet. Ala, sige, tulog na. Magkuha tayo ng muta na marami. Muta pa more. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for your love and support to Hope.
Welcome to Janet 25 Vlog, please.
Thank you. And good night. Good night, oyasumi nasai. Mata yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Babush. Ayan, no? Maraming salamat. Retro! Oh my! Retro Music the Man! How are ya? Oh, my friend. Where are you now, my friend? You're late, my friend. I'm going to end my live. Oh, my God. Retro! Alak, short, man. Alak! Ayan. Retro, matulog tayong lahat. Retro, yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, Retro. I'm sorry because I will end my life already. Penalty late silid. Amerikano yan siya, Amerikano. Next time, yeah, Retro, thank you for coming and thank you for your effort for today. Thank you. Oh no, I miss you, Retro. Retro. Magaling din kumanta yan si Retro. Ano din yan, musician din yan. Sorry, Retro. See you tomorrow, Retro. I have my live tomorrow. Wala nang aalis ha. Matulog na tayo. Tulog na kayo. Matagal ka na yung kilala eh. Oo, matagal na yan si Retro. Mabait siya. Nagpapalipad yan minsan dito eh. Good night, Retro. Thank you. And Charles Lumawag, thank you din. Maraming Retro. Sorry for... Yan. Sir Retro is time to sleep. Salamat, yeah. Sleep, Alak now na. Alak will sleep now. And host Janet also will sleep now. We have buta-buta in our mata. Alak, see you soon. Yeah, nandyan si Soon. Have a good snore. Yeah, thank you for that, Retro. Thank you. Maybe your time there is a morning or afternoon, I think. Time to hibernate. Ano ba yan? Papa, help me, Lord. Thank you, Retro. Thank you, Alak, Joanne, Mysterious, Marmy. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Time to eat. It's time to eat for you. It's time to sleep for us here. Thank you very much, Retro. I love you, Retro. Thank you. And the 10th, and Rayhan, Froilan, maraming salamat sa akyat ninyo ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. See you soon daw, Alak. Time to eat, okay. Enjoy your meal. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Bye!